I didn't even know what PPC meant, but now I get paid to run Google Ads from home. Hey girls, this is Beyond the Desk by Genty. As someone who never studied marketing or tech, learning Google Ads felt a little scary at first. But when I realized I could work from home and earn at the same time without any degree required, I gave it a shot. Now I help businesses grow and get paid by doing it. It turns out you can learn Google Ads even if you're not tech savvy. All it takes is the willingness to learn and apply what you study. With free courses online, you can study and learn Google Ads at your own pace. And then you can start offering services to clients, even while you are working full-time for your 9 to 5. Eventually, you can leave your 9 to 5 and go full-time as a remote worker. 3 tips from someone who's been doing Google Ads in the past couple of years. First, start with beginner-friendly courses. Number 1 recommendation ko here is actually Google Ads Skillshop. Tip number 2, practice with small clients and then help them grow their business. Eventually, you can add them to your portfolio. Number 3, build client network and build as well your experience in running these campaigns. So, I used to believe that Google Ads is just for techie people. But it turns out it's not. Yun lang for today's video. Bye!